done yesterday the soldier line by line. Now I am summarizing the poem The Soldier. The Soldier is a sonnet. It contains 14 lines. The rhyming scheme of the poem is as you see, A B C D C D E F E F E F E. This is the rhyming scheme. This means this is a Petrarchan sonnet, but the rhyming scheme of this poem is Shakespearean. The first stanza of the poem talks about how his grave will be in England, as he will be engraved in some foreign field, and he is a dust of England. He feels himself as if he were a dust of England, and a dust will be engraved in a foreign country, and that part, the grave of the poet, will be England itself. So, the first stanza talks about his death, and his death will be remembered forever. In the second stanza, he talks about the death and as redemption. He thinks that life will be the appropriate thing to sacrifice for his motherland, because his motherland has provided him a lot of beautiful things to see, a great knowledge to make him evil-free mind. His clear thought is it has provided him air to breathe and roads to roam, and in exchange only the life will be able thing to sacrifice for it. Not less than life will be appropriate thing for the things England has provided to him. This is a poem which fills every heart with patriotism. The beautiful things, the beautiful images and praises of England run through both the stanzas. And before the First World War, England was twinkling with patriotism, and the sonnets of Rupert Brooke was being sung by every young man of England. This is the summary of the poem.